Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off Facebook autoplay videos on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to Facebook. After that, go to menu. And here we click on settings. After that, we need to scroll down a little bit and find media. Click here. And here we can scroll down, and here you can set up your autoplay. For example, you can click on Wi-Fi only or click never autoplay videos. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and write good comments. Bye bye everyone.